Hey guys, thank you for watching our channel. Today we're going to be talking about if it's okay to have your cell phone at the dinner table. Today we are reacting to a very funny video of a mom taking away her family's devices before dinner.
Yes. It's like smaller than the other.
It's like a size comparison.
That blue cup looks good. I think that's it. And she obviously has a phone because she's old.
Yeah.
Her husband, I'm assuming.
And she's like, hey, where's your other phone, man? Pin. Okay, let me just do more. Hey, give me that phone. Put it inside. Hey, I don't have one. Okay, fine. Actually relatable because we do this at home too. Because whenever we sit at the dinner table, we have to take our devices away. And I understand because if you're at the table and someone's trying to talk to you and you're holding your device and you're trying to play like a game or watch YouTube or something, and they're trying to talk to you, you're like ignoring them. You're like pretending that you could hear them, but you actually don't. So it's not really polite. And this video was funny because it's relatable. And relatable videos usually are more funny because if you don't relate to it, then you're like, oh, okay, whatever. I don't get that. So, yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is really relatable, that's how I say it. Because whenever, like, for example, whenever I'm at the table, me and Mariah usually have our, like, devices at the table, and my mom is like, no, no, no. So we just, like have to pay away. And I understand because, like, you gotta listen to people. Like, what if they're trying to talk to you? Like, you're like, for example, you're like, hey, what you doing? That would be me, and Mariah's just like, wait, I'm busy. And then she's like 1 hour late because she takes so long, and she would take even longer because she's on her device like that. Because whenever I'm like on my device at the table and she's not, she's like, Jan, we want to do something? I'm done now. And I'm like, oh yeah, cool. And she's like, that's what I wasn't talking about. So yeah, that's how it feels. This rule at home, if you don't, I think it's a great rule to have in your household, just because if someone's trying to talk to you and you're ignoring them and you're under your device, I think it's a great idea just to put it away and listen to them. Do you guys have this rule in your household? If you do, tell us in the comments below. And if you don't, it's a great idea to start doing it, because if someone's trying to talk to you and it's something important, you want to have your tablet out of the way, like any device out of the way, is because, it might be something that you need to hear. So, do you guys think this video was funny? I sure did. What about you, Jaden? Me too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.